Greetings all and welcome to AlgoFox. In today's video, we are going to talk about line trading. How does it work on AmiBroker and how to automate. Line trading usually works when you want to place trades using a certain pattern which cannot be coded. For example, you see some trends and you want to draw trend lines, and based upon the trend line breakouts, if you wish to automate, then line trading on AmiBroker with AlgoFox can be a solution for you. How does this work? So here are the steps that it works in. First, it's a simple plug and play DLL. Our team will install an exe based application. That application will run and it will automatically copy the necessary AFL into AmiBroker. Now this line AFL is very advanced and probably the most advanced line based trading setup in India. It comes with 3 targets, 3 stop loss and message box to show you the live status of each and every order with the MTM. Since there are 3 targets and 3 stop loss, you can have multiple combination in a single AFL. Now before I show you how exactly it works, here are the 8 types of line trades possible. So whenever you plot a line, it can be a trend line or a horizontal line, the price can cross the line from down to up or from up to down. So since the price can cross from down to up or from up to down, there can be 8 types of trade. So buy above a particular price or buy below a particular price, sell above a price or sell below a price, similarly short above or short below, and cover above or cover below. In a single AFL that we have developed, all these 8 types of trades are possible. Let me directly take you to AmiBroker and show it to you. Now here you can see I have my AmiBroker and I have Coal India chart running on it right now. Now once the AFL DLL is installed in your AmiBroker, if you go to the charts, it will look something like this: AlgoFox line trade. Just double click on this and you will see a line chart getting developed. So I'll just close the upper chart, and on this chart, if I want to take trades based upon trends, it is completely possible. For example, I want to take a trade, let us say, based upon the breakout of this resistance zone. All I have to do is bring a horizontal line. So you can see this is a horizontal line. I'll just click on this, bring it here and put it across here. Now whenever you put a line, every line has a study ID, and the study ID is a 2-alphabet ID. Now for our automation with AlgoFox, you need to mention the correct study ID to automate the trades. At the top of the chart, you can see there is a message board: line, action, quantity, level, status and profit. Now all of this will get activated as soon as you mention the study ID. So there are 4 types of trades that can be triggered: buy, sell, short and cover. For buy, we use the first alphabet as B. For sell, we use the first alphabet as X. For short, we use the first alphabet as S. And for cover, we use the first alphabet as C. Now since there are 3 targets and 3 stop loss, the second alphabet will be A, B and C. So A represents the first entry, B represents the second entry and C represents third entry. Now for example, at this horizontal line, if I want to have first entry, I'll just double click on this, and in the study ID here, I'll just mention B. B stands for buy, and A stands for the first buy. And when I click on OK, the moment I click on OK, you can see that the trade is active. As soon as the price hits 139.50, the trade will be executed. The same is visible in the message board also. So you can see line BA, that is first buy, buy above, and one quantity at level 139.5 and status pending. So as soon as the price goes above 139.5, the status pending will become complete and your live P&L will start here. Similarly, now instead of buy above, if I want buy below, I can change that by changing the parameters. So I'll right click, go to parameters. In parameters, if I scroll down, there are 4 options: buy line, sell line, short line and cover line. So right now buy line is basically buy above. So if I change it to buy below, it will change to buy below. Similarly, sell line can be sell above or sell below. Short line can be short above or short below. cover line can be cover above or cover below. So in a single AFL there are 8 combinations possible. Now you can see that buy above, first BA line, quantity can be decided here. For example, I want to take 100 shares. I can write it as 100 here and click on OK. Now you can see that there is a buy below of 100 quantity at 139.50. So if the market goes above 139 and goes down, so the buy below will be activated and 139.50 at 139.50 100 shares will be executed. Now if I want to scale in at different levels, it is possible. For example, I want to scale in when the prices goes to say 141. I can take another horizontal line and go to 141 levels, and then at the study IB I'll write B for buy and B, the second buy, and click on OK. The moment I click on OK, you can see on the dashboard there is another line BB. So now if I go to the parameters, scroll down and make the quantity as say 50, then you will see that on the first trade 100 shares will be bought, and on the second trade at 141 50 shares will be bought. Now this is buy below. I can change it to buy above as well. Right click, parameters, scroll down, just make it buy above. That's it. Now whenever the prices goes there, then the trades will be executed. And now I can have up to 3 levels of scaling. So if I click another horizontal line and maybe select at 142, double click and write BC, that is buy at the third level C. That's it. You can now see there is another buy above of one quantity at 142. Similarly, if I want to keep targets, I can keep multiple targets. For example, I'll just push the chart a little down. Yeah, now I will buy basically 100 shares at 139.5, 50 shares at 141, 1 share at 142.5. If I want to exit, I can take another horizontal line, say somewhere at around 144. Click on this, and since I want to sell is represented by alphabet X, and first level of sell is XA. So that's it. XA basically represents sell first level. Similarly, I can click another horizontal line. This is sell 2, double click, and XB. And similarly, I can keep another target horizontal line, one more level, and double click on it and write XC. So now you can see that there are 3 entries and 3 exits. I can adjust the scale out quantity as well. Right click, go to parameters, scroll down. You can see sell quantity 1, sell quantity 2, and sell quantity 3. First is say 50 quantity, second is say 1 quantity, and third is say 100 quantity. And when I click on OK, the same will be visible here. And you can see all the orders are pending. Once the orders are executed and completed, automatically the P&L will be calculated accordingly. Now similarly, so right now you can see it is sell below, but for target we want sell above. So basically when the market goes up and goes here, then we want to exit. So in the parameters, I'll just scroll down and make it sell above. That's it. Now my targets are ready. But instead of targets, if I want to keep stop loss, that is also possible. I'll just bring all the 3 lines down below my entry points. I'll just drag and drop this levels somewhere here. That's it. Now instead of sell above, I'll make it sell below. In the parameters, I'll scroll down and make it sell below, and that's it. Now these 3 lines will act as my stop loss. So targets, stop loss can be interchanged by just drag and drop on the trends. Not only horizontal line, it works very well on trend lines also. Let me give you another example. So say I'm selecting another stock, say Britannia. On Britannia, I will just draw a trend line. Say I'm selecting a trend line and I'm just drawing a trend line like this. Now I want to short whenever this trend line breaks. So whenever this trend line breaks, if I want to short, I'll just double click on the trend line. For short, it is S, and for the first level of short, it is SA, and click on OK. The moment you write SA, done. Your short level is pending. So whenever market is going to break these levels, the trade is going to be automatically executed. And once the short is achieved, if I want to book a cover, I can also find it based upon the levels. For example, if this is my support, I can just draw a horizontal line somewhere here and double click. For cover, it is C. So CA cover, and that's it. Now whenever the market goes here, I want to cover. So if the market goes down below this level, I want to cover. So right click, go to parameters, scroll down, and instead of cover above, just make it cover below. That's it. Now you can see that using trend lines, and horizontal lines, I am able to mark the levels. Whenever these levels are triggered, the trade will be automatically executed into my trading platform. This eliminates all the emotions involved during price action based trading. I'll take another example to show you what else we can do. So say I have Dabur with me. This is the Dabur chart. Now what I will do is I'll just take Fibonacci retracement and plot it from say top to bottom and just extend these levels. So these are the levels of Fibonacci. Now I know that at 100% level is this level, then there are other Fibonacci levels. So I can actually trade based upon these levels as well. So if I just place horizontal lines like this on these levels and then place orders, that is also possible. So for example, I want to place my first lot of buy here, second lot of buy here, and third lot of buy here. It is possible. Just double click on this line, make it BA, done. Or for example, you want to buy here and you want to exit at this level. It is possible. Just double click and write as XA. That's it. Now this is your buy level and this is your sell level. Using this way, not only Fibonacci, you can have Elliott lines, you can have any other lines also plotted, and you can automate those as well. Not only these, you can also place trades based upon indicators. For example, RSI, ATR, stochastic, based upon their labels also you can place orders. Let me show you that as well. So in the chart, I'll just scroll down and take a random lower chart, say RSI. I'll double click on RSI. So this is the RSI chart. If I want to place trades based upon RSI, I can do that. I'll just close the upper chart for now. And let us say this is RSI chart. On this RSI chart, I just have to drag and drop AlgoFox line trade. The moment I drag and drop AlgoFox line trade, that's it. The upper chart is ready. I'll right click, go to parameters, scroll down, and you will see that there is an option called as indicator. Here close basically means price close. The moment I click on drag, so since we have dropped it on RSI, it automatically understands about RSI and it gives an option. So the moment I click on RSI, you can see now I can place trades based upon RSI levels as well. So now, for example, if I want to ensure that whenever RSI goes above 80, I want to short, I'll just take a horizontal line, come here, and at around 85 levels, I'll plot this horizontal line, double click on this horizontal line and write SA, short above. So basically whenever RSI goes above 85 levels, I want to, or 88 levels, I want to basically take a trade. And when I click on OK, now it is short below. I'll just right click, go to parameters and make it short above. So that's it. Now whenever RSI line goes above 88 levels, automatically a short entry would be executed without any coding. You can in fact find patterns in lower indicators as well. You can apply these lines on volumes or on lower indicators like ATR and take a trade based upon them. So since there are 3 entries and 3 exits and there are 8 types of trade, so totally there are 24 combinations possible. 3 entries for both long and short to scale in at your desired level with desired entry. 3 targets or 3 stop loss to scale out at your desired levels with desired quantity. You can apply this on any upper indicators like Fibonacci or any other indicator, or any lower indicator like stochastic or RSI as well. Line AFL will basically help you automate any pattern. Apart from this, there are other benefits as well. For example, so in the line AFL, we have also set intraday mode on. For example, you take an entry at a specific price and the levels are not reached, you can decide at what time you want to take an intraday exit. So for example, you did a square off at 15:15, that means at 3:15 sharp, irrespective of whether your levels are achieved or not, your entries will be automatically squared off. And if you decide no entry at a specific time, then that means after 2:45, in my case here, after 2:45, even if certain levels are reached, the entries will be ignored. Apart from that, if you want to place limit order with a certain buffer, when we do level based trading, we keep a certain kind of buffer. You can place limit order with a buffer as well. In buffer, you have 2 types of option, whether to put buffer in terms of points or in terms of percentage. You can also have a target, stop loss, trailing ticks to place cover order as well as bracket order. And also you can do button trading very smoothly in a single AFL. Now to talk about the pricing, the price of this AFL is INR 10,000 rupees. We will be basically giving you this AFL code and a one-on-one training to use this code on AmiBroker with AlgoFox. However, you can get it free along with the line trading. You can get option converter 30 premium AFLs worth rupees 1.2 lakh absolutely free if you opt for AlgoFox lifetime subscription at 39,999. Also, you can get access to our 10 plus courses absolutely free, which are listed on courses.algofox.in. You can try our platform. You can take a 1 week trial of our platform absolutely free. Apart from that, after trying for 1 week, if you still want to do virtual trading and experience the algo trading setup, you can do paper trading, which is free forever. And also, as said, you can go to our courses.algofox.in, avail our free courses and learn about algo trading and stock markets absolutely free. You can contact us at this number or at the given email address, or you can visit our website to develop any AFL of your choice, or if you have any algo trading needs, you can contact us and talk to us about your needs. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.